Go ahead and get yourself comfortable. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's at perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp. Washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment. Washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love. Allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. The healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing. And allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose, allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower flows over your lower body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation, remembering that it is here for you as much as anyone else. And allowing yourself to consider some situations while you continue to allow yourself to be in this beautiful place. Allow yourself to be there, soaking in the beauty and the awesomeness. And in this place, think about some situations that may feel less than ideal, things that are upsetting. And as you consider that, allow yourself to follow your breath through your body and notice what the belief might be. Because anytime there's an upset, there's a belief. And as you allow yourself to consider that, allow yourself to also be aware of a very loving, healing light inside your body someplace. Might be in your gut, might be in your heart, could be anywhere in your body. Just imagine at least some small healing light somewhere in your body. So that with each breath you take in, that light extends and expands. Spreading more and more, that healing light growing and spreading. And as it continues to do so, it just fills your body and it just pushes that upset out. Allowing your higher self to say, I have no room for this upset. I choose to feel love and light in every fiber of my being. And that doesn't mean that if there are circumstances in your life that you can do something about, where you can make a change, where you can make a request. There may be places where you need to take legal action, places where you actually have some agency in making things better. This is not about letting that go and saying, oh, that doesn't matter. Absolutely giving yourself permission to take whatever actions you can to make life better in every way possible. And at the same time, giving yourself permission to feel as good as possible in the process. Releasing any old programming about being motivated by misery, any old programming about how things need to be bad in order to motivate you to make things better. Allowing yourself to be absolutely compassionate with any past version of yourself that was taught that. And allow yourself to feel as good as possible, while also deciding to make things as good as they can be. Giving yourself permission to take whatever actions you can to make things better and better, inside and out. And again, in this beautiful place, allowing yourself to notice your breath. Notice that every time you inhale, you are making a request of the universe, God, Source, Creator. And every single time you receive the oxygen, you are given that oxygen. Allowing yourself to recognize that where it matters most, you're being told that you matter. Even though other people's actions might suggest otherwise, we never really know what another person is thinking. But no one else defines you. Their actions don't define you. As long as the universe keeps giving you oxygen, you're being told that you matter by a much higher authority than any flawed human being. So allowing yourself to let that loving light, that healing light, continue to flow through every fiber of your being, expanding and radiating it out. Maybe even sending it out to some of these other people. God knows they can use it. Allowing yourself to recognize that you matter and committing to taking really good care of yourself, treating yourself with love. In terms of how you feel, in terms of your self-care, in terms of how you manage your time, in terms of where you place your focus. All the different ways that you can make your life better and better. That's an inside job, and you are worthy and deserving of the best care from yourself. And every breath is a reminder that you matter. So allowing yourself to acknowledge that at a much deeper level. Let's go even deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before. Feeling much more aware of how important you are. Feeling more committed to treating yourself with even better self-care. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into an ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. Now go back down to 0, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. And welcome back.